Hello everyone, I am Dheeraj. I am here to talk about my new course which I'm going to start soon. This course is about computer networking. So I'm going to put computer networking basic from basic level to a advanced level content in this course. So I just wanted to give an overview about the course in this video. So in this particular course, I am going to make a separate videos on particular topic, and I will initially explain the topic in theoretical part, and then we'll jump into the practical examples of that particular topic. So in computer networking, so we have like packets. Packet is nothing but when we do some http www.google.com. So whenever we enter that particular URL, so in the backside in our computer, so what our computer does, it generally makes a packet form and then it generally sends to the internet. So that's how our networking works in computers. Okay, so this is what I want to explain in detail. So I'm going to start with basic networking. So what are IP addresses, what are the domain names, and then I will go through the TCP IP stack. So I will explain the practical aspects of this whole layer. So I will explain how our computer process through these layers and how packets are being formed through these layers. So in each packet there will be multiple headers attached. So I'm going to practically show this, how these headers are being formed and what are the information so these headers generally contains. There are some key concepts we need to know about computer networking before directly using it. Okay, so let me show some demo in this video. So this is the course, and here are the some listed topics about this course, and there are many more needs to be added in this. But for the sake of one page, I have just given some important topics of this course, and this course is fully practical and free. So, so I will start with some basic networking concepts, and then we have this TCP/IP stack where this all the networking works, and then we have this important topics like port forwarding, and then we have firewall in networking, and then we have IP addresses and routing, how we can resolve DNS. So these are the dynamic routing topics: OSPF and BGP, and secure shells are like SSH and all, how it generally works. And these are the protocols I'm going to explain. So HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and there are like many more, TFTP. And so I will go into detail how this looks like, and some encryption techniques. So how it generally works in HTTPS, right? So which kind of encryption they generally use to encrypt the data. So this first topic is packet analysis. So packet analysis is nothing but when we request something on with on networking. So it generally goes in a packet forms. So how it generally getting formed and what are the headers. So let me quickly show you one example. So this is a tool I'm using, Wireshark. So it's very famous tool to sniff the packets, so that we can check what kind of information we are sending from our computer, or what kind of information is getting received on that. So let me just quickly capture some packets here. We are receiving some packets here, right? So let me just quickly stop it. This is a packet, and here we can see the serial numbers. So let me quickly take one packet. So for example, this one. And so we have the different layers of this. So how this is getting formed, so we will go into the detail of these layers in the full course. So here are all the information in TCP header. So these are all the header information. So through each TCP stack layer, so information, this header will be added, right? So this is what the course is going to be about. So we'll go into detail how what are the field use cases, and how these fields are getting changed throughout the communication on the networking. Okay, so we'll explain this in this course. This is all fully practical course. So I will first go through the theory part, and then we'll jump into the practical part by using some tools like this. So there are many tools we can use. This is how course is gonna be structured. I think now you got to know like I'm going to start in this course. So I think these are all the topics I'm going to cover. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you are excited about this particular course, because I am very excited about this. So we'll start soon this particular course, and the frequency of the videos will be a little bit higher than my usual videos, because these videos will be like under 5 minutes. So I will be explaining the particular topic with the as simplification as possible. So that's all I wanted to talk about in this. I hope you liked the video. Please join this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out the videos about this course. So please share with your friends. Thank you.